Nutrition is important for well being. An unfortunate eating routine can damage your digestion, lead to weight gain, and even damage organs like your heart and liver. However, what you eat also affects another organ, your skin. As researchers delve more deeply into diet and the body, apparently, what you eat can inevitably affect the well being and maturity of your skin. Here are the top foods for glowing skin. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and herring are great food varieties for healthy skin. They are rich sources of omega 3 unsaturated fats, which are important for skin well being. Omega 3 unsaturated fats are important to assist keep with cleaning thick, flexible, and saturated. Indeed, an omega 3 unsaturated fat lack can cause dry skin. The omega 3 fats in fish reduce inflammation, which can cause redness and acne. They can even make your skin less sensitive to the sun's harmful UV rays. Fatty fish is also a source of vitamin E, one of the most important antioxidants for your skin. Getting enough vitamin E is essential for helping protect your skin against damage from free radicals and inflammation. This type of seafood is also a source of high quality protein which is needed for maintaining the strength and integrity of your skin. Avocados are high in healthy fats. These fats benefit many functions in your body, including the health of your skin. Getting enough of these fats is essential to help keep skin flexible and moisturized. Avocados are also a good source of vitamin E, which is an important antioxidant that helps protect your skin from oxidative damage. Most Americans don't get enough vitamin E through their diet. Strangely, vitamin E seems to be more effective when combined with vitamin C. Vitamin C is also essential for healthy skin. Your skin needs it to create collagen, which is the main structural protein that keeps your skin strong and healthy. Vitamin C deficiency is rare these days, but common symptoms include dry, rough, and scaly skin that tends to bruise easily. Vitamin C is also an antioxidant that helps protect your skin from oxidative damage caused by the sun and the environment, which can lead to signs of aging. A 100-gram serving or half an avocado provides 14% of the daily value for vitamin E and 11% of the daily value for vitamin C. Walnuts have numerous qualities that make them an incredible food for healthy skin. They are good source of essential fatty acids, which are fats that your body cannot make itself. In fact, they are richer than most other nuts in both omega 3 and omega 6 fatty acids. In addition, walnuts contain other nutrients that your skin needs to function properly and stay healthy. 28 grams of walnuts contain 80% of daily value for zinc. Zinc is essential for your skin to function properly as a barrier. It's also necessary for wound healing and combating both bacteria and inflammation. Walnuts also provide small amounts of the antioxidants, vitamin E, and selenium, in addition to 4 to 5 grams of protein per ounce. In general, nuts and seeds are good sources of skin boosting nutrients. Sunflower seeds are an excellent example. 28 grams of sunflower seeds packs 49% of the daily value for vitamin E, 41% of the daily value for selenium, 14% for the daily value for zinc, and 5.5 grams for protein. Beta carotene is a nutrient found in plants. It functions as provitamin A, which means it can be converted into vitamin A in your body. Beta carotene is found in oranges and vegetables such as carrots, spinach, and sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source. 100 gram of serving of baked sweet potato contains enough beta carotene to provide more than 6 times the daily value of vitamin A. Interestingly, high amounts of beta carotene may also add a warm orange color to your skin, contributing to an overall healthier appearance. Like sweet potatoes, bell peppers are an excellent source of beta carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. 1 cup of chopped red bell pepper contains the equivalent of 156% of the daily value for vitamin A. They are also one of the best sources of vitamin C. This vitamin is necessary for creating the protein collagen, which keeps skin firm and strong. A single cup of bell pepper provides an impressive 211% of the daily value for vitamin C. A large observational study involving women linked eating plenty of vitamin C to a reduced risk of wrinkled and dry skin with age. What you eat can altogether influence your skin well being. Ensure you are getting sufficient fundamental supplements to secure your skin